Tesla Model 3 and Model Y interiors start with a minimalist design that emphasizes simplicity and technology. This clean canvas provides the perfect foundation for personalization. Through this series, we'll explore three main ways to transform your Tesla's interior: wraps for changing colors and textures, trim kits for upgrading materials, and ambient lights for creating custom moods. While Tesla recently introduced their premium interior upgrade package with more options, the aftermarket continues to thrive with innovative solutions. By the end of this video series, you'll understand how to select and install these modifications to make your Tesla uniquely yours. Vinyl wraps are adhesive polyurethane films that transform your Tesla's interior. Applied to surfaces like the dashboard, door panels, and seats, they conform perfectly to curves and offer endless customization options for color, texture, and patterns. These wraps are removable and provide protection against daily wear and tear, helping maintain your vehicle's resale value. Made from durable polyurethane materials, they resist fading and are designed for long-term use. Vinyl wrap installations can start at around $500 for partial interiors, such as just the dashboard or door panels. Full interior kits, including seats and multiple panels, typically range from $1,200 to $2,000 or more, depending on materials and labor. For example, a Cybertruck-inspired wrap for a Model 3, featuring matte black finishes mimicking the Cybertruck's aesthetic, cost $1,200. This customization boosted the vehicle's resale value by 20% on platforms like CarGurus, as verified by case studies from Tesla modification communities. Trim kits transform Tesla interiors by replacing factory plastic pieces with premium materials like carbon fiber, brushed metal, or wood veneers. These upgrades enhance both appearance and perceived quality. Carbon fiber provides a high-tech look with exceptional strength-to-weight ratio. CNC machined for perfect fit on components like center consoles and door trims. Brushed metal offers a sleek, modern finish that complements Tesla's design aesthetic. Applied to air vents and trim pieces for subtle elegance. Wood veneers add warmth and sophistication to the cabin. Available in various grains and finishes to suit different tastes. Benefits include enhanced visual appeal, improved perceived quality, and sometimes functional additions like phone mounts or improved ergonomics. Installation uses adhesives for permanent bonding or clips for reversibility. Professional installation ensures precision fit and maintains vehicle warranty where possible. For example, a carbon fiber upgrade on Model Y center console and door trims costs around $800 and increased owner satisfaction by 15%, according to forum polls. Ambient lights involve installing LED strips to illuminate footwells, door edges, and under-seat areas. These lights can be controlled via smartphone apps or integrated with Tesla's systems. They can dramatically change the mood of your interior, especially at night. Custom RGB setups synced to music have gained popularity, reducing eye strain during night drives. Surface preparation is the foundation of successful wrap installation. Begin by thoroughly cleaning all surfaces with an alcohol-based cleaner to remove oils and contaminants. Then, lightly sand the surface to create a rough texture that improves vinyl adhesion. This step prevents peeling and ensures the wrap bonds properly to the Tesla's interior materials. For applying the vinyl wrap, you'll need specific tools. A heat gun is essential for molding the film around curved surfaces like dashboards and door panels. Use plastic squeegees to smooth out air bubbles and ensure even adhesion. A precision knife helps trim excess material without damaging the underlying surface. Poor installation can lead to several common problems. On heated seats, the vinyl may peel due to thermal expansion and contraction of the material. Air bubbles can form if the wrap isn't smoothed properly during application. Edges may lift if not sealed adequately, especially in high-wear areas. For the best results, consider professional installation services. Professionals have experience with Tesla-specific interiors and can preserve your warranty. They ensure precise application and can complete the job efficiently, saving you time and potential frustration. Remember, proper installation techniques ensure your Tesla wrap looks great and lasts longer, maintaining both aesthetics and functionality. Trim kits for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y require precise fitting to ensure a professional look. Many are manufactured using 3D printing or CNC machining for exact compatibility. Always check that the trim kit is compatible with your specific Tesla model. Installation typically involves removing existing interior parts, so proceed carefully to avoid damage. Be aware that uncertified installations may void certain warranties. Use professional services if you're unsure about the process. This highlights the interior area where trim kits are installed. Note that uncertified installations may void some warranties. When installing ambient lights in your Tesla, the most important consideration is electrical safety. The vehicle's 12-volt system powers all accessories and requires careful handling to prevent damage. To prevent short circuits, which can damage electronics or cause fires, use proper wiring techniques. Ensure all connections are secure and insulated, and avoid overloading circuits with too many LED strips. For advanced features like smartphone app control or syncing with Tesla's systems, choose kits compatible with the CAN bus network. This ensures the lights work seamlessly with the vehicle's electronics without interference. To keep the interior looking pristine, route wires through existing channels or use cable management solutions like corrugated tubing. This prevents visible wires that could detract from the ambient lighting effect. Thanks to improved supply chains, high-quality LED kits for ambient lighting have become very affordable, typically costing between $100 and $300, making customization accessible for most Tesla owners. The trend in Tesla interior customization is shifting towards sustainable and tech-integrated options. Recycled materials for wraps and energy-efficient LEDs for lighting are becoming more common, aligning with eco-friendly preferences among EV owners. Looking ahead, Tesla may offer more official stock customization options, as hinted in recent communications from the company. This could reduce reliance on aftermarket solutions. AI-driven customization tools are predicted to emerge soon, enabling users to design interiors through VR apps. This technology could revolutionize how owners personalize their vehicles. According to automotive expert Alex Roy, third-party modifications democratize luxury for EV buyers while potentially increasing perceived vehicle value by 5 to 10%.